We talk about eating your own cooking, right? Eat what you pitch. Don't just pitch it. Do you use it yourself? Absolutely. This is the dishwasher from Miele that I just got from my home myself. Let me tell you something. Happy wife, happy life. My wife is thrilled. We had an old dishwasher, was a total disaster. I needed the top of the line. I got this from Miele and I couldn't be happier with it. One of the most top dishwashers in the market today. And we have one here in our showroom if you ever want to come and see it. But it's something that I truly recommend. And again, I use it myself.